Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a dispenser drawer on a Hotpoint washing machine. If you can't open your dispenser drawer or it's broken and is leaking, then you're going to need to replace it. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. Now, this dispenser drawer opens in quite a unique way, as it's side opening like this. Now, to remove the dispenser drawer, just lift up ever so slightly and then simply pull the dispenser drawer away. With the dispenser drawer removed, we can see inside the dispenser itself, which is quite dirty and full of old washing powder as well. So this is a good opportunity to clean inside the dispenser. And of course, don't forget the roof, because that's where the jets are. Now, our new dispenser drawer doesn't come with this blue siphon, so I've just got to remove that from the old dispenser drawer. Again, it's a good opportunity to clean it if necessary. And then you just place it in your new one before popping the dispenser drawer into the washing machine. To fit the new dispenser drawer, we have a sort of hook at the back here, which links in with the bar at the back of the dispenser drawer front here. And this ridge runs along the lip here. So simply line them up, put it in position, slide it back until that bar and hook connect. Lift it up into position, and that's it. So there we have it, one new dispenser drawer fitted to this Hotpoint washing machine. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.